Hi guys, I am going to read English newspaper. Kharge falls ill at J&K rally, says not going to die so early. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, who fall ill while addressing a poll campaign rally in Kathua district on Sunday, declared he would not pass away until Prime Minister Narendra Modi is removed from power, speaking to a large gathering on the final day of campaigning for the third and final phase of the state assembly elections. Kharge stated, I am 83 years old. I am not going to die so early. I will stay alive until Prime Minister Narendra Modi is removed from power. As Kharge experienced dizziness or stage, several party leaders quickly came to his aid. He alleged that the central government had no genuine interest in conducting elections in Jammu and Kashmir, asserting they would have done it within a couple of years if they wanted to. They started preparing for elections only after the Supreme Court's order. They prefer a remote controlled government through the Lieutenant Governor. Kharge criticized PM Modi's leadership over the past decade, claiming, can you believe in a person who cannot bring back your prosperity in 10 years? If a BJP leader comes in front of you, ask them if they brought prosperity or not. Congress leader Thakur Balbir Singh said that the Congress president fall suffocated due to the extreme heat. Congress National President Mallikarjun Kharge felt suffocated due to the extreme heat, and still he completed his speech. He will take some rest and then leave for another program. In Ramnagar, he said, following the rally, Kharge is scheduled to undergo a preliminary medical examination to determine the cause of his dizziness. dizziness. The Congress and National Conference are contesting the J&K Assembly elections in a pre-poll alliance against the BJP. According to their agreement, the NC has nominated candidates for 52 constituencies, while Congress has fielded candidates in 31. The two parties have left of two seats uncontested, on one in the Kashmir Valley for the CPI-M and another in the Jammu division for the Panthers party. Thank you guys for watching this.